Internet of Things, IoT, for beginners.
What is IoT? Internet of Things, IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers, UIDs. The ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. How does IoT work? IoT devices collect data from their surroundings and send it over the internet to a central server. The server then analyzes the data and sends instructions back to the devices. What are the benefits of IoT? IoT has many benefits, including increased efficiency. IoT can help businesses to improve efficiency by automating tasks and collecting data that can be used to make better decisions. Improved customer service. IoT can help businesses to provide better customer service by collecting data about customer preferences and interactions. Increased safety. IoT can help to improve safety by monitoring equipment and sending alerts if there are problems. What are the challenges of IoT? IoT also has some challenges, including security. IoT devices are often connected to the internet, which makes them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Privacy. IoT devices collect a lot of data about people, which raises privacy concerns. Cost. IoT devices can be expensive to purchase and install. Overall, IoT is a powerful technology with the potential to improve many aspects of our lives. However, it is important to be aware of the challenges of IoT before you decide to implement it. Here are some examples of IoT devices.
Smart thermostats.
Smart thermostats can learn your heating and cooling habits and adjust the temperature accordingly. This can save you money on your energy bills.
Fitness trackers.
Fitness trackers track your steps, heart rate, and other fitness data. This data can help you to stay motivated and track your progress. Connected cars. Connected cars use sensors to collect data about the road, traffic, and other vehicles. This data can be used to improve safety and efficiency. The future of IoT. The IoT is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. As the IoT continues to develop, we can expect to see even more benefits and challenges. IoT is a rapidly growing field, and there are many new and innovative IoT devices being developed all the time. As IoT technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more ways to use IoT to improve our lives. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have other questions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.